If you're having a Tinkercad login problem, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account fast. Whether you're stuck in a login loop, seeing an access denied message, or the sign-in page just keeps failing, these steps will help you narrow down the cause and fix it without wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes for login issues because corrupted session data can stop Tinkercad from authenticating properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to last 24 hours if you only want to remove recent data, or choose All Time if the problem has been going on for a while. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Data. After that, close your browser completely and restart it before trying Tinkercad again. In many cases, this alone solves the issue because it removes broken session tokens that may be trapping you in a login loop. If you still can't log in, the next step is to test in Incognito Mode or a private window. This is a great way to find out whether the problem is caused by an extension, a stored cookie, or a browser setting. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an incognito window. In Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and T to open a private window. Then go to Tinkercad and try signing in again. If the login works in private mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is interfering with Autodesk's sign-in process. Common culprits include ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and script blockers. To check this, go to your extensions page, such as Chrome://extensions, and disable them one by one. After each change, try logging in again until you find the one causing the issue. Another important thing to check is your account type. Tinkercad and Autodesk can behave differently depending on whether you're using a personal account, a school account, or a social login. If you're a student and your teacher gave you a class code, make sure you use the Students with Class Code option instead of the standard email login. If you originally signed up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you need to use that exact sign-in button every time. A common mistake is typing your email into the regular Autodesk login field even though the account was created through Google or Microsoft. That mismatch can cause the login to fail even if your password is correct. Next, check for network or server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device at all. Go to health.autodesk.com and see whether Identity or Tinkercad services are having an outage. If there's a service disruption, you may just need to wait until Autodesk resolves it. You should also turn off any active VPN or proxy. These tools can trigger security filters and block the authentication handshake between your browser and Autodesk. If you're still having trouble, you can also flush your DNS to clear old network routing data. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type ipconfig/flush DNS, then press Enter. This can help if your browser is trying to reach outdated or broken network paths. Finally, make sure your browser itself is up to date. Outdated versions of Chrome or Edge can cause sign-in problems with modern web apps like Tinkercad. Open your browser settings, go to Help, then About, and let it check for updates. Install anything available, then restart the browser. While you're there, check your system settings and make sure hardware acceleration is turned on if your browser supports it. In some cases, turning this on helps the login page render properly and prevents glitches during authentication. So to quickly recap, if you have a Tinkercad login problem, clear your cookies and cache, test in Incognito Mode, check that you're using the correct account type, verify that Autodesk services are online, disable VPNs or proxies, flush your DNS, and update your browser. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment describing the exact login error you're seeing, and I'll try to help you find the right fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.